1969 actually, Ford Mustang. I like to see under your hood. Well, y'all know it's got a good engine under there, unless they didn't put the engine in. It's still a good body though. Remember, look, don't touch, respect. It takes a lot of hours, a lot of time, a lot of searching. I didn't know it was so late in the year though. March 1. So beautiful to your owner and me. Yeah, you're facing the shiny Moax. That is a beauty. Sometimes I just wish I knew how many man hours they put in there. Until next episode, stay tuned.